Logo: the Catherine Townhomes at Scottsdale. A bird's eye view of the resort pool, hot tub, and cabanas. The clubhouse rooftop is composed of Spanish-style red clay tiles. In the lobby, arched cased openings distinguish each area. On the ceiling, a hub-and-spokes design is surrounded by sets of 3 arched windows. An arched opening leads into a gaming area. A coffee bar is furnished with an L-shaped counter that provides seating for 6. Outside, a wooden gazebo offers shade. An open area between the townhome complexes consists of a sloping lawn dotted by bushy trees. Inside the clubhouse, the fitness center is stocked with cardio machines, lifting equipment, and free weights. A full-size basketball court is on site. An entertainment center is furnished with leather recliners facing an expansive movie screen. The townhomes feature air conditioning, high ceilings, a fireplace, crown molding, plank wood flooring, carpeting, and ceiling fans. The kitchen is furnished with stainless steel appliances and quartz countertops. The bathroom vanity is installed with under-sink cabinetry. A sliding glass door in the living area opens to a patio or balcony. Logo: the Catherine Townhomes at Scottsdale.